Hey guys, ever since I made chocolate and ice cream with Avery and her friend Lexi, Avery has been begging me for more. Today I'm gonna mix it up with a mango version. It's creamy, it's fresh, and best of all, it's healthy. I'm Meg and I'm passionate about finding ways to make life with kids easier in the kitchen. So let's go through our ingredients. You'll need a frozen banana, frozen mango, and a little bit of almond milk. All right guys, so just like the chocolate and ice cream, this is a super easy recipe. The first thing you're going to do is add a little bit of almond milk to the bottom of your blender. That will help the motor actually run. Then you're gonna add a whole banana. This is totally frozen and it adds a ton of creaminess to your ice cream. And then followed by your frozen mango. And this has already been cut into pieces. Put the top on my blender. You guys can also use a food processor for this if you don't have a super high powered blender. And then I'm gonna turn it on low and then high. Now you're really gonna have to work your blender here in order to avoid adding more liquid. But if you do that, your ice cream will end up nice and thick. All right guys, well that only took about 45 seconds, but we have a nice creamy treat on our hands. I'm gonna turn it out so you guys can see. Gonna get every last bit. The texture is so creamy and the flavor is so fresh. You can give it to your kids soft serve style and add some sprinkles.
Is it yummy?
Or put it in the freezer to firm up, scoop it, and top with some chia seeds. What does it taste like?
Yellow marshmallow.
Tastes like yellow marshmallow. So as the weather warms up, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
And what's the verdict from the ice cream connoisseur? She loves it.